Do you ever do pull downs when you're working out? If so, listen up. There are some key things that you need to keep in mind in order to make sure you are getting the most from this exercise. Hey, welcome back to Trainer Tip Tuesday, where all month long we are going to be talking about the pull down exercise. There are some very specific things that you need to keep in mind to make sure that this exercise is both safe and effective for you.
This week on Trainer Tip Tuesday, we are diving into the pull-down machine. Specifically, we're going to talk about how to select your seat height and handle height. Whenever you do the pull-down, there's going to be a distance between where the handles are and where you're sitting, or the seat height. We can actually manipulate both. One thing to consider is that when you're sitting down, you want it to be decently comfortable. So if the seat is way too low for what feels comfortable for your hips, then adjust it. Now, some machines don't have an adjustable seat. The bench is solid to the machine. A way that you can manipulate the distance between the two is actually by changing where the weight stack is. Now, you want to choose a distance between the handles and the seat relative to how high you can reach. So the way you want to decide is I'm going to have Charlie reach his arms up towards the handles, and if you can see, Charlie's a tall guy, he can't even reach the handles. So what we want to do is pull the handles down so that they reach his hand and they're not like yanking his arm out of his socket, and then we can prop the weight stack up, and then the handles will be at a lower starting position.
Keep these tips in mind the next time you do the pull down exercise to make sure you're getting the most out of it that you can.